Hi guys, here is Julie from Indigo Handmade Design. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to all of you who are new here. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to crochet these little Christmas baubles. They are very easy to make and it's a very fast working project, and it is gorgeous to decorate your home with some handmade baubles. Okay, so if you want to learn how to do this, stay with me till the end. And now let me show you what you are going to need to do this. So to make my Christmas baubles, I am using acrylic yarn category 3. So it is Grindel, it is 50 grams, 133 meters. And I'm also using some Rico Rumi golden yarn. In addition to the yarn, I'm going to use a 4mm crochet hook. You are also going to need a tapestry needle, a pair of scissors, and of course some polyfill. Okay, so let me clear this off and let's get started. Okay, so to make the bauble, we are going to start with a magic ring, pull up a loop, chain 1 to secure, and then make 6 single crochets inside of your magic ring. Now pull at your shorter tail and close with a slip stitch like so, chain 1 to step up, and second round it's going to be a increase round, so we are going to increase in each stitch around. So 2 single crochets in each stitch, slip stitch to your first stitch, chain 1 to step up, round 3, single crochet 1 and 1 increase, single crochet 1 and 1 increase, repeat, round 4, 1 single crochet in your next 2 stitches and 1 increase, and again repeat, 1 single crochet in your next 2 and 1 increase, round 5, single crochet in your next 3 stitches and then 1 increase, repeat, round 6, single crochet in your next 4 stitches and then 1 increase, repeat till the end of the round, and then we are going to change color. Okay, now I'm going to take my gold color and work with 2 strands, so make a slip knot, and now close your last round with your next color, like so. Leave your blue color away. Now chain 1 to step up and work 1 single crochet in each stitch around, and once you have this done, you are going to take your third color and work another round of single crochet, so 1 single crochet in each stitch around, and then meet me back for the bubble stitch. Okay, so I've made my 2 single crochet rounds. Now I'm going to take again my color A and close this round, just like so. Now chain 1 and turn your work. Now we are going to make 1 bubble stitch in the first stitch, so you are going to make 4 unfinished double crochets, like so, and now close and a single crochet in the next, and again 1 bubble stitch, so 4 unfinished double crochets, 2, 3 and 4, and close and single crochet in the next, and this is going to be your repeat till the end of the round. Okay, at the end of the round you are going to slip stitch to your first stitch, so the bubble stitch, and you are going to close with your white color, like so, and you are going to chain 1 and turn your work again. You are now again on the right side of your work, and you are going to make 1 single crochet in each stitch around, so you are going to have a total of 36 stitches, and then take your golden color and work again 1 row of a single crochet around. Okay, so I've cut off my white and my gold color. Now we are going to work only with our blue color, and we are going to make decrease rows. So I'm going to show you only 1 row how to decrease. So take again your color A, chain 1 to step up, and now you are going to single crochet 4, so 1, 2, 3 and 4, and now you are going to make a 1 invisible decrease, so you are going to go in the front loop only of your next 2 stitches, like so, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through. So this is your invisible decrease, and then again you are going to repeat, so 1 single crochet in your next 4 stitches, 3 and 4, and 1 invisible decrease, so front loop of your next 2 stitches, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through 2. Okay, so this is how you are going to decrease to create your bubble. So the next round is going to be 3 single crochets, 1 decrease, and then 2 single crochets, 1 decrease, 1 single crochet and 1 decrease, and then decrease is each stitch, and you need to put your, of course, your polyfill inside of the bubble, and then once you have this done, you are going to close the gap with your tapestry needle and weave in your loose end. Okay, now to make this bubble here, it's basically the same, so you are going to start the same with a magic ring and then make 6 single crochet into your magic ring, increase all of your stitches, then 1 single crochet, 1 increase, 2 single crochets, 1 increase, 3 single crochets and 1 increase, 4 single crochets and 1 increase. And I'm going to work this with my white color, so I'm not going to show you how to do this. And then I'm going to take again my gold color and then work 1 row with gold, and then this part here I'm going to take purple So you are going to make your increases 1 row with gold and then 4 rows with your third color. So in my case it's going to be purple, and then I'll meet you back only for this round here to show you how to work this. Okay, now at this point you can trim off your third color. So you are going to slip stitch, chain 1 and cut your yarn, and now bring back your second color, which in my case it is my golden. So wait, I've just got tangled. Okay, now take your second color, so your color B, and bring it back up here to your very first stitch, chain 1 like so, and make 1 single crochet in the same stitch like this. And now we are going to single crochet around, but now the second stitch it's going to be worked 1 row down. So let me pull in a little bit like so. So normally you would go right here, so you go 1 row down in this gap and make your second single crochet, and now for your third single crochet you are going to go 2 rounds down. So this is normally where you would go, so 1 row down, 2 rows down. Oops. Like so. Okay, one more time. So this one here is going to be a normal single crochet, and then go 1 row down right here, and 2 rows down. So you have 1 and 2. Like this. Single crochet and single crochet 1 row down, so in this gap, and single crochet 2 rows down. Okay, so this is it. This is how you are going to finish this round, and then you are just going to slip stitch to your first stitch, chain 1 and cut your yarn, and you are going to finish with your white color. So you're going to make your decreases, so 4 single crochets, 1 invisible decrease, and then 3 single crochets, 1 decrease, 2 single crochets, 1 decrease, 1 single crochet, 1 decrease, and then decrease all of your stitches. And with your tapestry needle you are going to close this gap, and of course before you are closing your gap and your last 2 rounds or so, you are going to stuff firmly. Okay, so this is it. These are your Christmas baubles. So thank you all for watching and for joining me today. I wish you all good luck, have fun and happy crocheting. Till next time, bye bye.